Okay, Kinsey is about to do her nails in here. She's been doing them herself lately. She's got the Beetles Gel Kit along with the Beetles Glue over there and some tips that we got. Those are all 3 separate things. Oh, there's the tips right there. She's going to be using those tips. I'm going to do a couple progress cuts. She's about to start now. These are all the Beetles colors that she's... This came with the kit. You just paint it on each one of these so you know which color that you want to make your nails. And I'll give you a couple progress cuts. Okay, so she got her nails on. She got them all filed down and glued on. These are the tips that we showed earlier with the glue we showed earlier. And this is how she's going to do her nails. You just brush it on like that. How many layers do you do?
It really just depends on how dark you want it.
So the more layers, the darker? Okay. So that's how she's going to do each one of her nails, and we'll be back whenever she's done. Alright guys, so here is the final result. She did just regular color with blue tips, French tips. And I mean, that's salon quality right there. So you want to go ahead and get you some gel, a gel nail kit. All right, Kinsey, what do you think?
I like this. I've been doing my nails almost every single day, taking them off, redoing them because I love it so much. I give this an 8 out of 10. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.